Hello, good morning. Thanks for watching. Elise makes a bunch of videos about in the garden weed plot, more accurately at the moment. Just about to get into some stuff. Got my list of things that I've pretty much all finished from last week, and then yesterday I made a new list for this week that I've started. And the last thing I wanted to do was a video vlog about the jobs that I've had variously. It's going to be a series. Chronologically, I guess it'll be easier to remember that way. So I'm going to just start from birth until 2003, I guess. So my very first technical, actually getting a paycheck job was I had a paper route when I was like maybe 13 or something. And it was just in my neighborhood, and it was quite far. I think I got like 20 cents a paper or something, maybe probably less. And some of it was suburbs, but some of it was farmland, and it was like I'd have to take my bicycle, and it would take me literally 25 minutes to deliver 12 papers. So, good times. I also did some babysitting, mainly for family, I believe, and maybe a few random not family ones, but yeah. Childcare, and then I worked at Wendy's, the great fast food chain. And when I was still in high school, at the end of high school, I got this temporary job demoing my high school's gym because they're renovating. So demolition. And then I joined this temp agency in Vancouver. Or was it based out of Burnaby, actually, I think. And when I was in uni, I would just call in on the days that I wasn't in school and see, or the day before usually, and then see if they had any work for me the next day. So usually like weekends, and then I had a few days off in the week. I'd get random things, like working at a florist freezer thing where you put together bouquets for supermarkets, and at a like shipping warehouse, just loading boxes into trailers, and like just random stuff like that. And then the next job I had was working for a restaurant, international cafe, which was really a bar that didn't have a bar license. And I was 18, so I'm not sure if I was meant to be serving people alcohol either. I don't know how that works, but it was pretty special. Anyway, that's my up to that point job vlog. Hope you enjoyed. I'm looking for work right now, so I thought it would be a good time to start the series. Get in the zone. Look at these silly ducks. What? 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 What are you two doing? Yeah, I think I'm gonna try and make a little path in there at some point today. Look at that new chicken. There he is. It's definitely not a chicken. That's definitely gonna be a rooster. It's already bigger than the other chickens and it's got like different tail feathers. Also just getting that rooster vibe. You just think you're in charge because you're bigger now, huh? They were so mean to him when he was little, so now he's got his revenge. Anyway, I'm gonna try and make this path also, which is non-existent. This path, that path, and maybe a bit of path to get in. Anyway, that's my goal for today. I've already cleaned the car, called New Zealand Immigration, and I called Orangewood to see if they've got pruning jobs, but they don't really at the moment. So I don't know what's going to happen next week because the Sika people, the other kiwi fruit place that I was talking about earlier, they now don't need anyone. So I was like, damn it, I should have started last week. Anyway, so I'm just going to have to keep on looking because blueberries are done. that's what's going on. Hope you enjoyed the work rant vlog video. There will be more of them coming up in the future, so you're welcome. Peace.